What up? What up? What's good? John Wilcox. Who else is here? John Wilcox, Just My Style. Renee Bleh, Life of 12 Dogs. Sin City, yo. What up, bro? Haven't seen you in a while. King Delay, Benny, Hotshot, Renee. I said what up to Renee Bleh. Is that how you pronounce your last name? Is it Bleh? I don't even know if that's your last name, but is that how you? That's how you pronounce that shit, right? Or is it missing? Or is it just blue with the EU backwards on purpose? Thomas, JW, Marco, Micah, Corey, Daniel Mitt, Keegan Murphy, Aaron Lee. Ah, gotcha, Renee. Gotcha. Because I was thinking of like you got the fountain blue over here, but it's pronounced La Fontaine Bleu. Bleu. Bleau. Jason. Vladimir. I'll be back on for Power Hour. Don't worry. Aaron Lee. Maximus. Daniel Mid, what's good? Yeah, Corey, what up? I didn't stream last night. My schedule's been all fucked up. Believe me, I like streaming during the overnight. I missed a crazy London session. And you know, I don't like missing those, but I've been missing them and I'm kind of annoyed about that. But I figured I'd hop on. I have physical therapy. I have to leave for physical therapy in like 40 minutes. So I'll hang out until I gotta go. And then I'll be back on for Power Hour. Stephen Cox, Row. Case of the Mondays. Lee. Nice job, bro. Nice job. Way to recover. JK. Stacks. Pine Tree. Parmesan. That's fucking funny, bro. Oh my God. That's a good one. I like that. All right, let me turn my fucking screen sharing on. That's funny. That's some funny shit. I don't even know if who's around. Obviously, no one was expecting me to be on at this time. Not that people look for me, but they know I'm on during Power Hour. So I never know what's going to happen when I just pop on randomly. I popped on randomly last night and it was like, I think we peaked at like 100 and I don't even know, 150, 160 people. So that was cool. Jason, thank you, sir. Thank you. Mufasa, what up? You guys are here in the flesh. We're here together. All right. So what can I show you? Let's get the bad shit out of the way. I had to lost limit on this My Funded Futures account again, this funded account. And I was up. I was down fucking around with the NQ. Then I was up. I got it all back with gold. Didn't locked in, like got out of the trade, basically break even, but I was up a couple $100 and then I just got short, got annoyed and just let it fucking play out. And went long and it went against me. And whatever. It is what it is. I still have the account. I have $352 of drawdown left. But what else did I do? Hold on. I got to log into this fucking shit. Hold on. I got to hide my screen, brothers and sisters. Do I have to activate a I think I might have to activate a bulenox account. I don't fucking remember. Bulenox is 91% off until the end of the month when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Look, I won't fuck with it right now. I'll fuck with that shit later. So I did this. I played pass or smash with the second half of these accounts because they were all halfway up, and I passed 3 of them. So that's why 3 of them are locked out. Got the job done on those 3, and this one, both of these, I feel like I could have got the job done on. I just fucking bad move, just bad decisions, or just bad luck more than anything. I had a short in one of these. It was perfect. It was perfect, but I didn't get filled. And then I just got chopped up in it. So, but whatever. I'll have 3 XFAs tomorrow, and then we'll just try again with these or whatever. Adam's Journey, what's good? Happy Monday. No, Lee, I'm still learning how to take a loss. You know what I don't like to do? I just don't like to have a losing day. I hate having a red day. So I fucking, because and it's not because I can't get it back. I've done it. So many people have watched me come back from being down big and come out on top green on the day for whatever account I'm getting fucked around within or I'm fucking with. Look at the way this shit's moving. Holy fuck. And it hold on a second. Hello. Hey, Sammy. Yeah, I was scared that you were going to say that she quit too. Oh man. Yeah. Well, I have Wednesday. Do you have anything tomorrow? Mm, 9:30. All right, sounds good. Thank you. Bye. Well, I don't have physical therapy anymore today. My physical therapist is out sick. Cool. So we can hang out a little longer. Gold is the only thing moving, huh? Which way? Holy shit. Did it just go up 6 ticks? 600 ticks? 834. It's up 600 fucking ticks from this low here. Jesus. That's crazy. Just a casual 600 tick pop. You could have just rode one mini up all the way and been up six grand on that trade. P Shenanigans, what up? Yeah, bro. Josh, top of the morning to you, lad. Alfred Sicoli, what up? Yeah, sorry for the interruption. Tell her to get the peanut butter. Hold on a second. Let me tell my wife. I'm gonna tell my wife, and then we'll get back to this shit. That's fucking crazy. What a move. I'll be right back. All right. Yeah, see, everybody's hanging out with other streamers right now. There's so many other people streaming at this time. I never know what to expect anytime I do hop on at this time. That's crazy. Fucking gold. Gold is nuts. It went up 600 ticks. It's actually up from the bottom, from the low of the day. It's up like almost 600. Yeah, it's like 600 ticks or something like that. It's fucking crazy. Zach T, what up? Trading for keeps. Yeah, double bottom. Or as we like to call it, a whack Arnold's W. Yeah, this shit could, I mean, look at this one. You got a little one here, but look at this big ass one right here. If this shit confirms, right? I mean, how big is this move? 900. This could go up. This could go up to over 3,400. If this double bottom confirms, this could go back up over 3,400. Like, I don't know if it needs to clear this wick right here, or it's got to clear this candle. It's got to clear this. It's got to clear 3366.2 basically, right? 3366. Let's just say 3366. If it clears 3366, you're talking fucking 3,420, 3,430, which is like right about here, which kind of makes sense, right? You see this? I'm looking at the hour. Let me look at the 4 hour. Even on the 4 hour, holy smokes. Yeah, it makes sense that it would come back up here. Crazy. Crazy. I don't know if I have the stones to just grab a mini from somewhere and just let it ride and see what happens. Motherfucker, what up? The far left is at the same level too? Oh, like right here? Yeah, it's interesting. Here too. Could be almost like a triple bottom. You would think that this right here would have been like a nice pop right there, but it didn't happen. But yeah, you got this. You got a big fucking move here. Chopsticks, what's up? Jay Jackson, Josh Jagasar, what up? That's very interesting. So all right, so we got that out of the way. We got Top Step out of the way. My from the Futures out of the way. I did not want these accounts. These are rebills that came through that I didn't necessarily want. Kind of annoyed about that, but whatever. We'll trade them. That's Take Profit Trader. I just wanted to get my flip days in, which I did. These are day 5. Day 5 in the books on both of these accounts. So that's cool. Donna, what's up? And then Apex. I did this last night when I was streaming, these 3. I was actually down, and I got it all back, and then some. I kind of want to get more on these, but these are up $2,000 through three days. I think I'm on my 3rd day. So I'll take it. And I got all these fucking rebills I didn't want. There were 9 of them that were going to come through at 90% off from like those flash sales from a month ago. I was cool with that. I was not aware that there were another 6 at 80% off, which is okay. Not the end of the world, but I just wasn't aware of it. So when I saw them all, I'm like, motherfucker, you know? But I passed one so far. I did this when the market opened. I slept. I woke up. I was like, hey, let's look at the charts. And I fucked around during the New York Open. I got this one passed. These 3 I traded last night when I was streaming. And then I trade what up. And then in wealth charts, am I saying that right? Wealth charts? I'm sorry. My CHs sound like SHs, guys. My bad. Only when I'm saying wealth charts, though. 6 of them were. 9 of them were renewed at 90%. 6 of them were accounts that I got originally at 80% off. The ones I didn't want to renew, the ones I thought I went through and canceled so many. I guess I missed. You know, you got to put like the date in and do like like a Control F or Command F. Vinny Lee. I'm sorry. The only time I say that is like my CHs and my SHs are off is when I'm saying wealth charts. Sharp, no, what up? Oh man. All right. And then here's, speaking of wealth charts, look what I did. I successfully got a flip day in. I got a flip day in on this one. So this is day 6. I'm in max payout land. Of course, I wanted to win the trade, and I did. And then this one, I actually grew too much. I just don't know how ZBM moves at this time of day. Does ZBM move at this time of day? Let's take a little peek at ZBM. I'm going to lose money on purpose. Is it moving? Let's put it on the 1 minute. Does this shit move? Not really. I just don't want to get caught in like some fucking pop because the shit's moving. What, the sharding? Oh, what, saying charts and sharts wrong? Look, see, it just kind of moved. I don't want to fucking go in like short or long and then I lose. So like the issue is like I made this mistake once before. This is through 4 days though. I'm at $3,800 through 4 days. I think it's 4 days. I'm pretty sure it's 4 days. Let me just double check that. Let me just double check this chart. I mean this shit. I'm going to tell you right now. Uh, 271. Yeah, I'm on day 4. If I were to leave it the way it is right now at $12.99, let's just say, I'd have to grow the account to 4,300, which, like, obviously I believe in myself. I know I could do it, but I would have to do that. That's another $500. I do have to trade for 2 more days, but you know, I don't know. If I just lose a couple of shekels, I don't want to be dealing with 30% consistency rules. I just need to lose enter and exit a trade with ZB a couple times, or just one time with 2 minis. Someone's at the door. I think it's one of my dogs. Who's here? Who's here? Sorry, guys. I keep disappearing. I'm not used to being on at this time. What are we doing here? What did I miss? Anything? Charbonneau sharded. What up, O? Yeah, it's a dream. It's a dream. Yeah, so like with this one, I think I'm just gonna lose the money. I'm gonna lose what, $70? I hate losing money on purpose on Apex accounts, but I don't know. If I did this, Remember that I had those, I think I had 5 and I went up too much on like a day 6 and I needed to get the account like up another $380 and I fucking fucked it up. I think I fucked myself out of 10 grand. So I kind of don't want to do that again, you know? That's where I'm at with that. So, but looking good. I just don't know if I want to trade ZBM right this second. It's moving. It's actually moving. I'll wait till later on. I'm scared. So let's go back to this shit. What up, Newts? What up, O? O dog? Let me go back to the NQ and see what the fuck's going on here. Oh, it's dropping. Damn. That shit is dropping. All right, let me get off the 4 hour. I gotta redraw this happy Fibonacci. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of this because it doesn't matter. We bounced off the midline, and which was basically where the golden shower pocket was. Let's see what we could draw here now. Let's go to the 15. Let's see what we're working with here. I love the happy Fibonacci. In case you were wondering. I've been seeing a lot of fucking bounces and rejections off the midline on these fibs lately. The midline and the 618. The 618, you know, always. But that, look at that. Is this support right here? Are we going to retest the low? Holy shit, we are. This looks ugly. What's gold doing? Gold kind of almost rejected off the top orbit. Didn't quite get there. Why is the price action so kind of shitty? What up, LMNO? Yeah, don't be scared. Life to fam, what's good? The activation on the bulenox don't get anything other than a 50K, which is the minimum size you have to get to be able to take advantage of the 91% off using the best code ZERODAYJay, but it's $148 for the activation fee on bulenox. You should see. You want to see something crazy? Watch this. Oh man, nice little bounce right there. Happy little bounce. Do you think it goes back down? Watch this. This is the craziest shit ever. Let me zoom in on this fucking shit. This is what I'm talking about. I don't know why anybody would want to trade a $10,000 account. $25,000 is $143. This is the activation fee for a master account of bulenox, aka a funded account. $50K is $148. But look what happens if you're like, oh my God, I could get 91% off at $250K. So you could get a fucking $250K for like $30 or whatever it is. And then when you pass it, you're like, oh, I got to pay $900 to activate it. Get the fuck out of here. This is nuts. I feel like they do that on purpose. I feel like they only want you trading 50s. But if you're crazy enough to trade these big ones, you're going to have to fucking pay. So like I said, the 50 is the only one worth getting, and the activation fee is $148. Comparable, right? It's just like it's $1 cheaper than Top Step. You know, but all in, it's less. Because right now at 91% off using the best code ZERODAYJay, the 50Ks are $15.75. Crazy. Damn, that shit popped. Going back down? I don't know. Matt O'Rourke. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of the 10 days. It hasn't been working for me, but I'm determined to get my payout from them. I will get paid by bulenox at some point. I just haven't I can't make it to 10 days. $1,500 max withdrawal only on the first three payouts, and then you could get. Then you don't need to worry about the buffer. Is it still 1,500 max after you get out of the buffer? I don't know how that works, to be honest with you. You got a My Fund the Futures account is not letting you trade. Hit up support. Hit up support. The chat. Like log into your account, like your regular dashboard, like where you buy accounts, and hit them up in the chat. They might be able to help you with that. They're pretty good. Actually, they're really good in there. How many days is Apex? Just my style. What are you asking? Like, how many days am I at with these Apex accounts? Is that what you're asking? What up, Smoke, aka Warrior from Astoria? What up, Nick? Yeah. I didn't stream last night. I figured I'd hop on quick. I'm gonna change the title of this fucking. Since I'm gonna stay on a little longer. I thought I was gonna hop on, hang out for a little bit, and go to physical therapy, but they just called me, and my physical therapist called out sick. So I am. Why do I keep getting rejected on this fucking thing? I don't want to get filled there. Whatever. I didn't want to get filled there. I wanted to get filled up here. I'm probably going to blow this account. Look, it's already gone. It's already fucking gone. I did not want that account. Wow. I did not want to get filled there. I got rejected over here. Where did I get rejected? 433. Yeah. Well, I would have got fucked either way. All right. Well, 1 for 2 on pass and smash for the day. Cocksuckers. Like literally, like look at this account. You know how many times I tried to get in positions at some point when I tried trading this thing, even like a couple of hours ago? Rejected. I'm like, what the fuck? Why can't I get filled on this shit? So annoying. Wasn't meant to be. Anyway. I'll wait for something better. Maybe I'll fuck around with gold. Gold is crazy. Sham, what up? Matt O'Rourke, yeah, Apex is 8 days. That's what you're asking, just my style? My bad. Yeah, 8 days, bro. 8 days. 5 days of $50 or more than you if you get over and you don't violate the consistency rule, you can flip the last 3 days, like which is what I'm doing here. On this account, I got to max payout land in 5 days. I did it in 4 days, and I just needed another $50 day. I did that on Friday, and now I'm flipping. So this is day 6. That's why it's like just $4 or whatever. That was such a shitty oh, look. How fucking convenient. Look what happened. When did I get in? 25. It went, look, I would have passed, but I was in, like, it's fucking being a little douchebag. Fucking cocksucker, man. My take profit was at fucking 04. Why did I need 04? I didn't even need that much. I got filled at 25. I needed 10. Here we go. I can't believe that just happened. That was so stupid. Are we going to keep dropping? Looks like S. Yep, we are going to keep dropping. It doesn't want to fucking dump, though. JC Trades, what up? Yeah, oh, they're really good. Live Records, what's good? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Ali. Oh, really? Yeah. I've only done it a few times. Hubris, what's good? It's not to say I haven't traded it this time. It just, I don't really stream it this time until recently. It just kind of happened. But I noticed there's not as many people around because there's so many other people streaming. So everybody's, hanging out with whoever they hang out with at this time of day. Is this going to pop here or are we going to drop? Is this resistance where these two candles are going mwah to each other? Yeah, I don't trust this shit. I don't know. I don't like the way this shit's moving. I just got fucked. Like, I was right. But I was in too heavy. And the other issue was I didn't get filled where I wanted to get filled in the other account. But either way, it did end up hitting my take profit. Jeffrey, sounds good. Sounds good. Marcine. Yeah, it does want to, yeah, see, it does want to make new lows. There it is. 10. That would have been enough to pass. Is it going to keep going? It swept the lows. Now what? Is it going to just dump? Oh, look, it's at this fucking area of, this was an area of resistance I drew a long time ago. Not a long time ago, sometime last week. And look where we're at. We're right there. Does it become support? Does it become support? We're going to find out. Oh, I didn't get filled. Look. Are you fucking serious? That's such fucking bullshit. This shit's moving fucking quick. Yo, I literally just missed it. Well, I don't think I would have got my 15 points. It rejected off of 400. It looks like, oh my God, it looks so dumpy. That's the hourly. Ooh. I'm just trying to figure some shit out here. That what it might want to do. It looks like shit. I can tell you one thing though. I mean, we got like this, this M pattern, this harmonic looking M thing. We got a higher low, higher high. So at some point it's gonna bounce and it could fucking rip. It really, we got a busy week today too. Yo, Jim Blob, what up? JC Trades. Yeah. Trading NQ reminds me of pissing all over a toilet seat. That's fucking funny. Yeah, a lot of tech earnings too, right? Is there tech earnings this week? Ha, that's funny, Jeffrey. Wow. Wow, wowie, wow. What is this line for? I don't even know what that line is for. This wants to keep going down, or is it going to fucking bounce here? No. It's so fucked up because I blew that account on the short, and look how much lower we are now after I got fucking shaken out because I was in too heavy. We're down like fucking 70-something points. Again, I'm going to fucking miss this opportunity. Dude, that was 20 fucking points. Oh, it's so annoying. It was like, can you pull back a little bit and then fucking pop? No. Maybe it will. I don't know. Oh. Famous last words. Be careful what you wish for. Be careful what you wish for. You fucking piece of shit. All right. 0 for 2 on this stream. Oh for 3 on the stream. I just keep going against it. It's so fucked up because that first one I should have had. What's the spread? It's not that bad. Yo, this shit just keeps dropping. I hate this shit. Now it's gonna pump. Look at this shit. You fucking piece of shit. Look. Yeah. Amazing. I'm glad I'm not trading any funded accounts right now. Is it gonna go down again? What are we looking at on the hourly? It waits until I fucking it blows the account and then it gives me what I wanted. It gives me the fucking again, order fucking rejected. Fuck, man. Yo, it's so annoying. What up, Yash? Yo, what the fuck? Jeez. Something happened in finance. I know, isn't Canada having an election right now? Sammy, what up? It's just because I'm trying to fucking get in as it's fucking moving in a direction, and it must be crossing on my order as I'm trying to place it. It's fucking annoying. See? Just keeps happening. And then it'll give me the fucking oh, this one's gonna get blown too. Gross, man. Does anyone know what caused this fucking absolute dump here? This one's probably gonna get blown too. Yep. I just keep going long. I just keep trying to catch falling knives, and it's just not working. And then the one account that I should have passed, I didn't because it fucking popped just enough to fucking kill it. Let's just try it. No, I'm not gonna go short because I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go short. Damn, this shit is dumping. This shit just dumped from the high of day. It's down 300 points. Crazy. There have not been any calls with the US recently. Is that what it is? thought, what does that mean? Didn't Trump say they talked on Friday or something like that? Or they talked recently? What a drop. Look at that candle. I'm sure it's going to pump 50 points now. Oh, yeah. Dump it. Dump it because I'm in long. Just do it. Let's blow another one. It's fucked up because I didn't even want it. I didn't even want as many as I got. This one's cooked. It doesn't even want to bounce back to the 9. It's so fucking crazy. There we go. Peace. So fucking crazy. Come on. Give me a little fucking push here, bitch. Oh my God. Are you serious? Look at the way the candles are moving. This is crazy. Can't give me one? Come on. What? Where's the rest of it? What the fuck was that? I got in it. Did I do the math wrong? I had to have done the math wrong. That's stupid. Oh, it's so annoying. Maybe this other one will get passed for me. No. It went up to the Yo, look at this shit. It went right up to my fucking order. This one's gonna get blown. Look, it went right up to my order. It's right there. You fucking piece of shit. There we go. You fuck. All right, let's figure out what to do with this one. Damn, I almost got fucking blown on that one. All right. So I did the fucking math wrong on this one on 54. Now I got to get another 700 bucks. I feel like the bottom's in too. Yeah, the bottom is in. I'll be so pissed if I blow this because I was fucking right. I don't need much. Just pop a little bit. Hit that shit. Hit it. Okay, we're good now. All right. 2 for 5. I'm 3 for 6, but 2 for 5 on the stream. Jay Stores, what up, bro? Josh. Micah. Micah, I did do the math wrong. I thought I don't know why. Stupid, but whatever. It's good. We're okay now. We're okay now. What happened, hubris? Oh. Past half of the 90% evals bought with the best code. Oh, thanks, bro. Appreciate it, man. Great job. Great job. This shit's moving around. I mean, I guess this is normal for this time of day, but it's moving around like a fucking little crackhead. No, I traded the right account. I was in the right accounts. Everything was right. I just did my math wrong on that one. Yash. Jay Stores in the building. I haven't seen you in the Discord lately, bro. What are you hanging out with other streamers? Been quiet. Anna, what's up? K and LV. Why is Jay streaming? I asked myself the same question as I was blowing 3 fucking evals in a row. Jay Storms. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while, bro. Corey, what's good? Yeah, 3 for 6, 2 for 5 on the stream. Ew, that's what I was worried about before when I took that quick long to finish the job. Yeah, I don't know, Jay Stores. I just feel like I haven't seen you in a while, man. Raphael, I miss you. It just means I'm missing you, bro. That's all it means. Did you see the Met game? Did you see the Mets fucking collapse yesterday? I was so fucking pissed. I didn't watch the game, but I like watching the box score, and I'm like, okay, they're up 7-1. They're up 7-1. What up, FNH? They're literally up 7-1 through like 6 to 7 innings, and they fucking blew the game and lost. They got fucking walked off on. How pathetic. I don't know if Jay Stores. I think Jay Stores left. He's mad at me now. Just fucking around. I know he's a big Mets fan. That was the first game the bullpen fucking shit themselves on all season. What are we doing here? 55. These candles are fucking wild. Look what just happened. We dropped what? From 53 to fucking, we dropped more than 30 points, and now we're all the way back up. Do you think the bottom's in? Does anybody think the bottom's in? Oh, we came so close to this pivot point. Mark Kell. That was a happy little bounce right there. Casual 45-point bounce and counting. I don't know. It feels like the bottom's in, but who knows, man? We might come to this area right here and reject off of it. Bill Clinton said 30 years ago that gold would have hit 4,000. Wow. Findy. That's one of the first things he said that I liked, that he had to say. In addition to, I didn't inhale, because that shit was funny. No, he said, what did Bill say 30 years ago? He said gold popping. Yo, I think gold's going to hit 4,000 at some point. G Archer, what up? Oh, gold actually hit the fucking, when did that happen? Just now? Gold just hit the top orb and rejected off of it. It just missed it before. Just missed hitting the top orb before and rejected off of it. Now it's down. Casual 120 ticks. It'll stop trailing, but yeah, you're at this point, it's like static. It wasn't gold popping in Bill's Oval Office. He did not have sex with that woman. Yeah. Gold was his intern's nickname, and 4,000 was his cigar. Oh shit, Isaac, what up? Hey, listen, he smoked, but oh wow, we coming. Look at that from the top orb to the bottom orb. Look at that shit. Just look at it. Look at that. I wonder if it comes to like this area right here, the upper the VWAP band, and this fucking fractal, and bounces off of it. Where's Jay Stores at? I don't know if Jay Stores is still here. Do you think Bill Clinton inhaled? Nice little pop here. Damn. I think the bottom is in for now. That motherfucker's done all sorts of drugs. He's done it all, including adrenochrome. You could tell when he's off of that shit. He looks like he's gonna die. Sammy Roger, yeah. Yeah. Is that funny? Oh my god. The 34s. Look at the 34s. I could have just fucking went long here. 34 is gonna do their thing. What do we think? What do we think? D-Walk, what up? I would take drugs too. Yeah, crazy. Talk about a little tightly wound, And I don't think she was tight. Yo, Jay Stores, we used to fucking we knew that some of these guys were spraying the shit with Raid, and we still bought it anyway back in the day, back in the 90s. Jay Stores, what about at the dispensaries? What are they like? I know someone who actually he's like the freaking master grower for a big grow house. Yeah, they're spraying everything, bro. They're spraying. You can't even fucking go outside and breathe fresh air. They spray the sky too. But we're not allowed to talk about that on the stream. We're not allowed to talk about that. Did you know that the UK, they're saying that they're going to test something, but they were testing something called, literally, you can't make this shit up. It was the acronym. You know how they have acronyms for all the things that all these government piece of shit governments do? It was literally called Satan. Watch. Look it up. Look this shit up. I'm not making it up. I am not making this shit up. They tested a geoengineering program, aka chemtrails. The project was called Stratospheric Aerosol Transport and Nucleation. Hot shot, nice, man. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, one of the guys I used to play ball with. He works at a grow house, and he obviously grows his own shit at home too. He's like the master grower. I don't know what they call that. I think that's what they call it. You know how they have master technicians for whatchamacallit? Like cars, like automotive mechanics and shit. He's a master technician of growing fucking the devil's lettuce. Oh. Oh shit. The 34s are holding, baby. The 34s. I bet, yeah. I'm sure it's very rewarding too, hot shot. Like just, You know, just going into your garden, just picking off a bud or whatever. I know there's a whole process to it, but like it's got to be rewarding to see that shit. But like, oh, you're like Trump when you see it. You're like, I'm gonna come. It probably never gets old either. I knew a dude that grew hydro. He grew hydro in his basement. It was fucking back in the day when I lived on Long Island. Shit was amazing. Soaked in formaldehyde. He probably did smoke that shit. Lou Coran, OG Maximus, what up? Yeah, they acted like, oh, we're gonna start doing it. We're gonna dim. They literally said they're gonna dim the sun. They've been fucking spraying since the 50s and probably before that too. Stoner with a boner. You like growing more than using? Pine tree. Oh, look at that drop. Look at the 34s, man. The 34s. Just a casual fucking 30-something point drop off the 34s. I wish I went short. What up, Crypto Life? Yeah, they kill everything. They kill everything, everyone. Is this going to drop more? Or is this little bullshit right here support? So far, it looks like it is, but I don't know. Nigel. InfoWars. Jay Stores. I can't fucking wait, bro. Can't fucking wait. I feel like, you know what I feel like? I feel like living here on Earth is like you can make your own heaven or hell. You can make, you know, it's up to us. What up, Kevin? The gold, you want to know what the golden shower pocket is, Findy? So it's kind of messy in here, but it's just a range between on the Fibonacci, whether you're going to do it for a rejection to go back to the downside or for a bounce to go back to the upside. It's the area between the midline, the 50% line, and the 786. It's a magical place. It's a magical place where a lot of bounces and rejections happen. Like right here. So on this, it's hard to see. Let me zoom in. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So here's the top. Here's the low of this fib I just drew. Look where it bounced. Well, no, rejected right here. It rejected actually at the London high, oddly enough, but it's also at the midline, right where the golden shower pocket starts. So it didn't get into the golden shower pocket. It rejected off of it. And look what we did. We fucking dumped. And obviously, you know, maybe it's just a coincidence. But I like to take those type of trades like Fibonacci moves when there's other shit. Look at all this other shit. You got, I think this is this the New York? Is this the London high? I don't know if that's the London high. What the fuck is that? I don't know what that dash is. This fucking it's like an ICT kill zone or some shit. Whatever. It's not the London high. I feel like the London high is up here somewhere. Oh no. That's not the London high. The London high is much higher. But it rejected. There was this, whatever this fucking these dashes are, it means something. Holy shit. Look at this.
Don't show me.
Look at her. She made me a sandwich, guys.
Oh my God.
My wife. Thanks, babe. And my coffee. Wow. But we rejected off of that midline, and we dropped how many points did we just drop? 539 to fucking, we dropped 220 points. So now, you know, there's another way, you know, you could draw these wherever you want. You just got to be careful. But the thing I liked about this area was you had the 50, even though I did kind of go short. I got fucked on that one account. I was right, but we went short. I like to play these when I'm paying attention, right? There's a lot of stuff going on here, right? You have whatever the top of this zone is, and then you have the up of the VWAP band right there. You have the midline on the fib. So when there's more than one, when there's confluences, when there's more than one factor or more than two factors, I like to take a shot. That's just me. You also have the top orb right here, not too far below it. There was a lot of shit going on here, working in the favor of it going short. And apparently there was news about China. Right at the perfect time they dropped the news, right when we were at this midline on the Fibonacci. Go figure. But it's just, I wouldn't just make it the end all be all. It's just a good thing. It's just a good to have. It's just, look, here's another one. Look, so here's the low. Let me zoom in on this fucker. All right, so we just hit the bottom, right? So I went from the low to this high. We pulled back and look, we're right at the 618. And look what's happening. We might be bouncing off of that shit. So far, it looks like we are. It could go down more, but like, there's just what else is over here? Nothing really. So if you want to take it on blind faith that it's going to bounce here, I mean, go for it. There are people who do. Josh, she didn't take it yet, but it's pretty much hers. I might ask if I could keep the 2275. Oh, we got new hour fuckery coming, guys. But look, we're in the golden pocket now, the golden shower pocket. So this thing could even come down to the 786 and bounce there. I just don't love it because look at what the bigger move is. This is on a smaller time frame. Look at the bigger move. Like, we just fucking dumped it. We could fucking make new lows. But this is the last line of resistance. You just got to really, I like looking at the bigger time frames. I draw these things everywhere. You see, look at my chart. And I've deleted a bunch. But watch when I go to the daily. They're everywhere. You see that? I draw these fucking things all the time. They're everywhere. If I were to fucking make this like a painting, an art, you know, I'd be like a fucking Fibonacci Da Vinci. Oh, look, it came look at that bounce. I don't know if it's done that yet, though. There's something going on, the way this shit's moving around. But look, 31, 32 to fucking 49. We wicked. Here's another thing that's interesting. Let's see where this candle shakes out. But look, right now we wicked down to the 707, and the body of this candle is above the 618. For now, I don't know what's going to happen because the shit's moving around crazy. There must be some news, or I know Canada's having an election. Do you think the Canadian election has any influence on the NQ? I don't think so. Josh. Yeah, bro. Simon, what up? Michael Escorza, what's good? Picasso, why is it in most? What do you mean, why is it in most? I don't know what you mean, bro. Oh, I think I know what you mean. Yeah, man. You're saying if there were more people like me, the world would be a better place. Is that what you said? That's debatable. Even master debatable. Look. 20 points. It's still early because we got new hour fuckery. But look at this. Let me go back to the chart. Look. Look what's happening. Where's the body on the 618? We wicked to the 707. We're up fucking. I wish I took a long there. I was too busy fucking around. Russell. What up, Zach? Bob Hall. Bob Hall. Yo. I heard the next guy that's going to end up in there, or whoever ends up in there, is just going to be just as much of a piece of shit as Trudeau. Maybe even worse. Damn, what a move. Perfect example. Look at that. Amazing. We just bounced 50 points. There it is. We're out of the golden pocket. That's how it works. Perfect example. This shit just fucking going. Just a casual. Shopify's Canadian? I didn't know that. I didn't know they were a Canadian company. What a fucking move. What a fucking move. Look at the body of that candle. So obviously the moves might not necessarily be as big on the smaller time frames, obviously, but I mean, that was a fucking, anyone who took that long just got fucking paid. Now we're pulling back. Look, this was an area of resistance I drew last week. It just pretty much rejected off of it. Jeez. You literally could draw these fucking things anywhere. I could draw it from here. Almost hit the 618. Like, I could draw these fucking things anywhere. Zach. What up? Plus, we got new hour fuckery right now, so, you know, got to be careful with that. Oh, so tempted. This was the move right here. That was anyone who took a trade based on what we were just talking about just got fucking paid. What a fucking move. Oh, shit. Penelope's hoping I drop some fucking... I got Harvey and Penelope in here. By the way, guys, Take Profit Trader is 30% off. Once you take out like I forgot, like if you take out 20 grand, they're gonna push you to a live account. And don't grow the account more than 10,000 in a day. I think that's like the magic number. Well, they'll force you to go live if you do that in one day. Speaking of Take Profit Trader, their 30% off deal plus no activation fee is still happening. So you could get 30% off, no activation fee when you put in the best code ZERODAYJay. Apex is 80% off until the end of the month, which is what? Tomorrow, Wednesday? You have until the end of the day, Wednesday, to get 80% off of Apex when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. bulenox is 91% off until the end of the month when you use the best code ZERODAYJay. Option 1, 50Ks or bigger. Don't get anything other than a 50K because it's not worth it. That's the only one that's worth getting. I think Trade Day is still 40% off everything, and they just added Project SlipX. You could trade on Project SlipX with Trade Day now. Isn't that cool? I don't know if what my fund of futures is doing for a deal. I don't think so, Hubris. I don't think they're gonna. There were a whole lot of factors that a lot of people weren't aware of that was causing that whole situation. But based on my my spidey senses. But anyway, the best code for what up, Trader to Black? The best code is ZERODAYJay for Take Profit Trader, Apex, bulenox, Trade Day. I don't know if My Fund of Futures has a deal right now, but you could still save 5% off of anything that's not on sale, including resets of active, available accounts. If you want to support the channel, that's how you can, in addition to already being here, which I appreciate. So thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me. Let me see if My Fund of Futures has anything going on. I'm going to take a little peek, see. They did have a deal that you were able to get starter accounts for the original price. Let's see. Active promotion. 20% off. Yo. That's a cool fucking promotion. Hold on a second. 20% off fucking resets on evals. That's a good deal. That's a good deal. So if you have an eval that you nuked, you could reset it for 20% off instead of waiting for the rebuild to come. Just pass it before that happens. That's fucking awesome. That's a pretty cool deal. I'm going to post it in the Discord. I'm going to spam the main chat. That ain't it. Where the fuck is this? Oh, here it is. Pretty fucking cool. Check this out. 20% off eval resets, plus no daily loss limit on starter until the end of May. What? Yo, did you see that? No daily loss limit on starter until the end of May. That's fucking crazy. 3 uses per person on the resets when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. That's crazy. No daily loss limit on starter accounts until the end of May. I think that's more exciting than the other shit. That's fucking crazy. All right, new hour fuckery. We're back at the 618. Does it hold for a bounce? Let's fucking find out. Oh, I only got filled on one? Oh, it fucking did. I only got filled on one. What kind of bullshit is that? Now I got to chase it. This isn't going to end well. This isn't going to end well. Yep. What did I say? I probably could have waited for it to come back and fill me down here. Stupid. Yep. Fuck me, man. That's such bullshit. Fucking fill me. I don't care if I get the account blown. But man, I can at least get filled on all 10. Not the best time. Not the best time to enter a trade, but we'll see what happens. Oh shit, that almost fucking hit it. Fucking cocksucker, bro. I'm going to wait. I don't like this price action. Storm, what up? Coach Canute. Logan. Eddie, what up, man? Yeah, it does protect you, but at the same time, you know what? I'm a big boy. I'm a big boy. Did that just fucking happen? Yeah, whatever. This shit's getting crazy. What did Logan do? You just got another. Oh, Logan got approved by Apex. Another payout by Apex. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Great job, Logan. Great fucking job, dude. Love to see it. Hell yeah. Confetti time for Logan. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Apex doesn't pay their traders, but every time I'm fucking streaming, someone told me that they got approved. They just paid 2.5 million out, or almost 2.5 million out to 2 dudes. But if they didn't post on social media, they wouldn't have gotten paid. They got paid, dog. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Yeah, they don't have any money. They're going to be out of business. What did they say? April? They were going to be out of business in April. Then they were going to be out of business in May. I mean, we're almost in May, guys. It's crunch time. It's crunch time for them, right? Nice fucking job, Logan. Nice job. Simple but sanctified. What up? I saw all those DMs you sent me. I will get back to you. I haven't looked. I saw them. I didn't look at them yet. Equal low. What's with these fucking partial fills? Holy shit. There we go. Is this one blown too? I guess so. Don't mind me, I'm eating my eggs that my wife made me. You fucking piece of shit. This one on the other account, this one just missed hitting my take profit and it fucking dumped on me. This one, I just suck. Oh, I got this new PA also. I forgot about that. What a drop. Where are we going? Oh, the pivot point. Look at that. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Oh, come on. Logan, yeah, I definitely got a lot of sleep in the last bunch of days, but I do like streaming during the overnight, so I just might do it earlier. I'm not really sure. I'm not feeling this price. I don't know. I don't like this shit. When I was given the example of how the fucking golden pocket works, I should have went long here. That would have been beautiful. And then when we bounced off of it, I didn't get the fill I wanted, and then I chased. I didn't get the fill I wanted, then I chased, and it would have hit my take profit if I got filled on everything. It came back down to it. I don't know, whatever. Fucking annoying. I haven't traded any funded accounts since I woke up. It's probably better off that way. What's gold doing? Huh. Making its way back up. You want to get out, Penelope? Why being annoying? What up, Baja? Oh shit! It was 5K. I didn't know how much it was. That's crazy, bro. Good shit, bro. 5Ks. That's a nice hit. That's a nice hit, dude. The fall of Apex. Zaybak's been saying Apex is first it was March, then it was April. Now it's May. Zaybak. Yeah, good shit, bro. Really nice. What do you want, Penelope? My dog is staring at me. Wow. So this was an area of resistance I drew last week. We blew through it on the way down, came back up to it and retested it, and have dropped almost 100 points since. Crazy. It just keeps dropping. You want to go out? You want to get out of here? This shit just keeps going down. How much are we down from the top? The high of day was here. 622, 623. We're down like 340 points. Eggs. Zach, eggs. Eggs and toast. Trader Jay, I don't know, dude. Trump, China? Yeah, some shit about China. China. Some shit about China. You think it retests this pivot point? Friday's low. You think he's going that much lower, Nate? I mean, at this point, what's another 70 points? G Archer, China. One stop trader, what up? Meanwhile, gold up almost 200 ticks. About to fucking make new highs. Or at least retest the high. Nice, Newts. Trading micros. I love that, bro. For you. Yeah. I get why you do it on the take profit trader accounts. You know what I mean? Oh, so that's like a mini. What size account? What size account? 25K or 50K or bigger? Up, new highs for gold. $50K, no doubt. No doubt. I'll have a 25 and a 50K funded tomorrow, assuming I get the credits and all that shit in a timely fashion. I'm so pissed about some of these. A couple of these I should have had fucking passed, but whatever. The NQ looks like dog shit. Zach's your head. He's watching your back while you watch your front, you know? Yeah. Yeah, it seems like they caught up with all that shit. Seems like they seem to have caught up. Oh. Oh. Fucking shit, man. That really grinds my gears. Oh, it's right at the pivot. Is it going to retest there and reject off of it? Let's see. Let's play a game called Fuck Around and Find Out. What's the spread on this fucking thing? 2 to 4 ticks? Better I suck at trading in evals than funded accounts, right? All my funded accounts are chilling. Except for my funded futures one, but whatever. Like this move just happened so fucking fast. I missed it. So now we're back at this pivot point. Oh, we're over the pivot point. Fuck me. I gotta take a fucking piss. You got resistance here. You got resistance here. We'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna get fucked. Yep. Damn, I fucking suck. Amazing. Amazing. I just can't. Honestly, I suck. I'm sure we'll have the same hater that comes in here all the time who's literally getting paid to fucking shit on me come in here and say, oh. Someone literally commented on my shit yesterday after I got off the stream, said they literally said, I don't know if they're lying or not, that they literally said, I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid. All right, cool, man. That's something I wouldn't be proud of. Look at the 34. What up, Ree? Marcin's only fucking with fast track. Nice. Mohi. It is a weird market. There's a couple of these I should have passed. A couple of these should have passed, and I fucked them up. But I passed a couple. I did pass 2. I passed 3 overall on the day. I just keep missing these fucking moves, man. Or I don't get filled. Fucking, I'm going to blow this one too, probably. Probably blowing this one too. Everything I do, it does the opposite. It's crazy. It's like I just don't, I'm not seeing this shit. This is gonna fucking dump because I'm in long. Zyberpie, what up? Yeah, Mufasa. It's being a real, I mean, I don't know. It's crazy how I just keep being wrong. Whatever. Like I said, no funded accounts were harmed during this stream. It's also like lunchtime in New York, so who knows? No funded accounts were harmed during the stream. Yeah, this is fucking garbage price action. I should have went long at this fucking when I was giving the fucking example about the whole fucking the way the Fibonacci works, and I didn't. And I thought I played the bounce. I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled all the way, and then I chased, and I got fucked. Yeah, this is gonna get blown. Just has that fucking feeling. My trailing drawdown's getting eaten alive. It's chopping around now. So it's only fitting that I would blow this account next. I did pass 3 fucking Top Step accounts. And I officially passed 2 Take Profit Trader accounts. Yeah, see? I'm telling you, like everything it's like the opposite. It's like opposite day. I was just in short on the other one. I got fucked. I'm literally getting fucked in both directions. Watch, 1058. Watch this. Oh, look. Oh, look. I got in at 9. I got taken out at 18. It just went down to fucking. Oh, look. Now it's going to hit my take profit. Where was my take profit on this one? 59. Such fucking bullshit. Utter fucking bullshit. Trump in 10 minutes? Great. Can't fucking wait. The fuck? They don't announce on fucking Forex Factory when Trump's coming on anymore? Awful. Oh, look. Look. Watch this. 1058. I got in at 950. My take profit was at 294. Look what we just went down to. I keep getting fucked because it's fucking chopping around before the move happens. So fucking annoying. Yeah, here's what we're going to fucking do. Let's do something productive. Let's do something productive. No, I don't even want that. That's what I want. Not what I wanted. Nice job, Pine Tree. Great job. Yeah, Oscar. Or, well, I think it's still Oscar. Mohi Mohi, it literally is, bro. It's fucking funny. Feels that way, at least. Feels that way. Yeah, in 2 more days, I'll be requesting $2,000. So at the end of Wednesday, when Wednesday's trading session closes, I'll be having a fucking payout request party for this account. Oh, I got to lose money in this one. Fuck. Let me refresh. I got to lose money in this account. What up, Stoic? What's good? All right. Hiding my account numbers, you know, because I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed at how many accounts I have, so I hide them. Oh my God. I canceled the fucking buy order 17 fucking points ago. Fuck. Fuck my life. All right, let me do something that will actually help me. I need to lose money in this account with ZBM. Let me fucking change that. ZB. Your selected broker does not support trading on the symbol. That's not fucking true. That's not fucking true. It's right here. Why does that keep fucking happening? Fucking bullshit. Wrong. See? Oh, it's back to NQ. ZBM. ZB. Yo, why don't they let me fucking do that? It's not true. I could trade ZB right now on any other fucking platform. I don't know. Trade it to black. I don't know. I think it's going to be random more than anything. I think it's going to be random more than anything. How come I can't trade ZB? What the fuck? I could trade ZB. Why is it telling me I can't? What up? Oh, that's kind of annoying the shit out of me right now. I want to lose money on purpose in this account right here because I made too much. I made more than I needed to make. I'll be right back. I got to pee. And I'm going to get more coffee. Of course I miss a bounce. Of course. Of course I missed the move. All I wanted to do was pee and get more coffee. Unbelievable. What up, O? Is Trump talking right now? Wow. I was right about the fucking rejection. I was right about that short and I got taken out. How many times was I right about the move, but I got taken out because I was in too heavy because I was playing passive smash? Ollie, what's good? Yeah, Stock Tiger, what's good? Stop, bro. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Where's Trevor LeConte? Got to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Right, Stock Tiger? Unbelievable. I'm so fucking pissed about this. I fucking get up to pee and get coffee, and this is what I come back to. I missed a whole. How much did I miss? 68 to fucking. Oh, just a casual 50-point move I missed. Is it going to drop again? Jesus Christ. This price action is fucking whack. By the way, if you guys want to join the best community on these prop firm streets, here's the link to the Discord. The best community by far. Nothing comes close to it. Laura, what up? Stock Tiger, smash the like button for Travel McCunty. Oh, shit. Well, look. The 34 is a holding for now. Casual 20-point drop. It does look like it wants to fucking drop. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, the lower high, lower low. I don't know. Oh my God. I'm so annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed. Needless to say, I'm not a huge fan of this time of day. Clearly, because I suck at it. What are you doing here? Yeah, Pete, bro, it's fucking brutal. Oh yeah. Just when you think it's gonna fucking make its way down, it fucking bounces fucking 20-something points. Just a casual 30-point bounce there. No, it's free. It's free. P shenanigan. You just set up your filters. You could set up, you got an account, right? You got a free account, and you could just set your filters on how you want your news delivered. You just do it all in here. I don't even know if I have this the right way. I probably should just have it set to futures, but I don't like it. I don't know. I wanted more. Just a casual 36-point bounce, 35-point bounce. Pips Hunter, what up? Trump is talking or meeting with, I don't know what the fuck is going on. Something's going on with Trump. And it's all the way back down again, basically. It's hard to trust this shit. It's hard to trust this shit, man. Like you could have went short, like you would if like you went short around here, you would have been right. But like it didn't go down there until it fucking popped 15, 20 points. You would have got stopped out. You would have got fucked. This shit is so hard to gauge right now in terms of when the move is going to happen. You never really know, obviously, but it's just annoying, this price action. So, like, look what's happening here. How high is it going to go up before it rejects and goes down even lower? Can you withstand it? What's it going to do now? Like, that's a decent move, 19 points, but it's so fucking skittish. I just don't trust it. I'm still annoyed about this. How can I not trade ZBM on fucking wealth charts? Wealth charts really does fucking blow, guys. I could trade ZBM right now. I could trade ZBM and fucking, I could hop in and out of ZBM right now if I wanted to on fucking Tradeovate. But on wealth charts, it says the broker does not support it. Am I in the wrong ZBM? I don't understand. ZB. This is what I have on fucking Tradeovate, ZBM5. What's the fucking problem? Look, your selected broker does not support trading on this symbol. Bullshit. Total fucking bullshit. I just want to lose money. What else is out there? Let me ask fucking Dan. Fucking annoying. I might have to leave it because I can't do the ZBM thing. It's fucking pissing me off. Corn, beans. Another reason why this Discord is the fucking best. Look at this shit. I don't know if you could see it. Hold on, let me move my shit over to the other side. Watch this. I see Dan in there. I see Dan in here because he's the one who told me about ZB to lose money quick, easily. I fucking asked the question, and I mean, obviously Dan was in here, so he answered it quick. But like, look, everybody's in there trying to help each other out. It's the best fucking Discord, best community on these prop firm streets. Hands fucking down. Hands fucking down. Another one, ZM. Can I trade ZM? Let's see. ZM. Soybean. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's letting me do any of that shit. That's fucking annoying. ZB, what's ZC, ZS? Can I trade any of these? ZC. Corn. Yeah, they ain't let me trade any of this shit. Mo, what up? Yeah, I know. I hopped on early. What up, Travis? I looked it up, bro. Yo, Travis, I looked up ZB, ZBM, the continuous one. It won't let me trade any of them on fucking wealth charts. I don't know, like $60. If I entered and exited 2 fucking ZBMs, I'd be good. I would get exactly what I'd be perfectly fine with that. Otherwise, I got to grow this account now. I mean, I'm 4 days in. I'm at 3,800. How hard could it be to get another? Let's see. Hold on. How many times have you heard me say that? How hard could it be to get another $531? I'm only on day 4. How hard could it be, guys? You know? ATM order. I don't even know if there might be a way to do that in Welsh shards. I just don't like, I don't want to fucking violate any fucking bullshit rules like the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule because I'm just trying to fucking lose money. But I knew with ZB, a round trip with 1 ZB is $35 loss. Yeah, it's possible as long as I don't go into rage mode. I'm not even, it's not even worth it. What up, Jay Jackson? What up again? Micah. Yeah, I don't fucking, dude. If it was any other prop firm, I wouldn't care. I would be down to do that. I'm not doing it with Apex. I'm not risking it. Yeah, yeah, Alan Rose, aka Stoic. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you and Micah. I'm 100% in agreement with that. I just don't want to fucking do it. I just don't want to do it with Apex. Yeah, Ali. I liked this area. I liked it. We'll see what happens. I'm pissed because like I was dicking around with that shit and I missed this fucking pop. But like, yeah, this was fucking this bullshit chop. We ended up fucking popping. Yeah, Pips Hunter. I think I said it before. Yeah, fucking Trump is talking. I don't know what's going on. Something with Trump. Sherry, what's up? ZBM. I don't think any of them work in Keegan. I'll try that one. ZBM25. ZBM25. ZBM2. It's not even in here. Yeah, none of that. It's fucking whack, yo. This shit is whack. Wickety, wickety, wickety whack. Look at that fucking pump. 5 minute 21 holding. Let's see. Where are we at? Where are we at? Let me draw a happy little Fibonacci. $707. If I go from this high, from this last high, 618, and the low of the VWAP band are in the same spot, but we might be rejecting here if I go by this. Oh, fuck. Well, we're in the golden pocket. I don't know. That's the problem with the fib, too. You could fucking draw it based on to suit your fucking bias, but this is the last high, really, if I'm looking at this 15-minute chart. I guess I could say this one. I don't know. This is the last high. I could even say this is the last high, or this is the last high. Then we're nowhere near anything. Damn. Crazy. Mikey, this is AI. This isn't me. This is me. I'm somewhere else. I posted in the Discord. I've been on for what time did I get on? I feel like I've been on for a couple of hours. How long have I been on for? Hold on. Two hours. Yeah, I've been on. I got on around. I got on around. I don't remember. Before 8 o'clock. Before 11 o'clock my time. Ooh, the 5 minute 21. Good crew, Tom. What up, man? It was ZC. It won't matter. Mo, I'm telling you, it won't matter. You think it unless you're in there. ZCM 25. Let's try it. I don't think it matters. I think anything that starts with a Z ain't gonna work. ZCM. Jay has to trade the corn hub. Coach HID in the place to be. Carbonite, what up? ZCM. I don't even see a ZCM 25. No ZCM 25 in here. Just ZCM, ZC corn, ZCN 6, corn July, ZCN 5. It maybe just CBOT just doesn't get a. Oh, let's see what happens. Let me make sure I'm in the right accounts. That would be helpful. I'm scared. How much do you go down? What's the spread on this fucking? I can't even see what the spread is. Jesus fucking Christ. Wow, what a drop. Too busy fucking dicking around with that shit. Missing opportunities. What a fucking drop. $40 points. 40 plus points down. $5 21. It was also, depending on where you draw the fib, it was also the 50 line, the midline, right at the beginning of the golden shower pocket. If you count it as this is the last high, you go from this high. Amazing. Whoops. I want to lock that. How do I lock this fucking thing? There we go. Let's draw another happy Fibonacci right here. Amazing. So let's see. Yeah, let's take a look. Let's do it in here. ZC. ZC. Well, ZC. ZCN. Let's just, I'll do it in an account that I'm okay with fucking losing money on. Buy, sell. $17 round trip. Okay. Audio, what's good? Nice job. Nice job, bro. Who's 99 days in office? Trump? Lee? $17.50. Buy, sell. Perfect. Perfect. 1230.41 divided by 0.3. 4101. Perfect. All right, we're done for the day in that account. Done. Hope hope Apex doesn't hold that against me for trying to lose money on purpose. What's up, Nayo? Perfect. That's what I wanted. So now all I have to do now, 4102, let's say, minus 37.31. I still got to make 300. I have to make $371 instead of, what was I at? $12.99 divided by 0.3, 43.30. Minus 53,800. So instead of, what the fuck? Instead of having to make 530, now I only have to make 371. Yep. So that's what I wanted to do. Mission accomplished. Day 6 is in the books here. Day 4 is in the books here. This is pretty much at max payout land. I just need 371 more dollars. This I just need 2 more flip days, and then I can request 2,000. This one I need, I need to grow this another 371 bucks over the next 4 days. I'll try to do it tomorrow. We'll see. Damn, what a fucking drop. What a fucking drop. Mega Musketeer. Yeah, I get the bigger drawdown and all that shit. You can risk 250 per trade, making it so you can have a 30 consecutive losing trades before. It's up to you, bro. I mean, the thing about those big accounts, Mega, is you got to fucking grow that shit. Oh, MAGA Musketeer. I thought it was MAGA Musketeer. Love it. That's it. Listen, those accounts, the 300Ks are huge. Just to get a $500 payout, you need to grow that shit to 7,600 just to get 500 bucks. Just to get the bare minimum. The bare minimum to get anything from them, you have to grow it to 7,600. Alfred just got approved by Apex. Also, Apex doesn't pay their traders. Fuck yeah, Alfred. Pound that confetti like roast beef. Apex doesn't pay their traders, but we got people getting fucking paid. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, so and then if you want to get the max payout, which is what, 3,500? You got to grow that shit to 10,600 just to get 3,500. That's huge, bro. I don't know. I'm just not a fucking. I mean, some people can make it work. Some people are just really good traders. I just could, and they like having the bigger drawdown so they could take bigger shots. I just don't. It just feels like a lot of work for someone like me. Watch this. $707. Body of the candle's over the 618. We're bouncing. I don't know if we're going to keep going up, though. I don't know. I wanted it. After fucking blowing all these accounts, I kind of been a little fucking gun shy. All these evals on some dumb fuck shit. $3,500 is the max payout you could take on a 300K. 7,600 is the buffer, the safety net. You need to grow that shit to 7,600 to get a minimum of 500, and to get the maximum payout, which is 3,500, you need to grow it to 10,600. That's a lot of fucking work. You get a lot of drawdown though, a ton of drawdown. You get $7,500 of drawdown. That's great. I don't know. I'd rather, take away all the dumb, stupid shit I've done in the last couple of months with these 50Ks. I probably would have made another 20 grand plus. What a bounce. Look at this fucking bounce, and I'm missing it. Again. They left me at the station. New hour fuckery. It's already up 27 points. God damn it. I'm so fucking annoyed. So fucking annoyed. At least I did a couple of good things. These are up, past 3. I wanted to trade this one. So many opportunities too, and I just didn't pull the trigger. Did not pull the trigger. Yeah, Josh. That's the secret. It's not even just 10K, bro. It's 10,600. 10,600 seems so much more than 10,000. Back, back before November, if you could grow that account, you get it to 70, you get it to 7,600, you get 500. You know, those big accounts were good in that regard. Now you get there, you only get $500. I'd rather grow an account $2,600 if all I'm going to get is 500. But yeah, if you notice, Josh, look at this rejection. Basically, like I could just draw fibs all fucking day, guys. You see, guys? You see, guys? It's easy, guys. Watch me draw this happy Fibonacci. Look at that. The 618 wins again. Yo, it's all day. 618. Rejected off the 618. Crazy. Crazy. You see, guys? But yeah, if you notice, like Jade Cap and the other dude, Man Beer, a lot of these guys, I think that guy John, I don't know what size accounts that guy John was trading. Start choking on your spit. Oh, like fucking yo, I do that. I used to do that. You know that laugh from the Joker movie? Fucking he said it was I have a condition. And he's like laughing for no reason. He starts choking. He's like, I used to do that shit. Actually, my daughter still laughs hysterically. My 18-year-old daughter thinks it's the funniest fucking shit. What up, Bacon? When fucking Arthur Fleck, aka Joaquin Phoenix, is like doing the laugh because he's nervous and he's fucking anxious, and he just starts like choking on his own saliva. Shit is fucking hilarious. I love that movie. It's one of my favorite movies I've ever seen. Fucking great. It was a masterpiece. Yeah, but we got happy Fibonacci's everywhere. Traders should watch that movie. That movie was fucking amazing. Cody, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm doing now. I wish I didn't come on. Not because of you guys. This fucking price action is so fucking all over the place. Into the buffer. You still have to grow the account a fuck ton. After 6 payouts, you could take out, you could clear those fuckers out, I think. Or you could grow them as big as you want and go down to the buffer or whatever. I don't know. But those guys traded the 150s. I think Man Beer traded the 150s. I know JCap did. The 150 seemed to be a sweet spot for that type of shenanigans. That's a Netflix and chill by yourself. Yeah, that movie was fucking great. It rejected off the same spot again. I don't know what to make of this shit at all. Oh, if you guys follow me on Twitter, I'll follow you back, by the way. Not to change the subject, but hey, I'm on Twitter. You can follow me. I'll follow you back if you want to, of course. A follow for a follow. I get the 7 digits from your mother tomorrow. What is this doing? New hour fuckery. Oh my God. I just want to trade this account. Fuck. Ew. What's gold doing? Gold's kind of chopping around. NQ is chopping around. All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. I'll be back on for Power Hour. So thank you so much for hanging out. I appreciate you guys. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. I will be back on for Power Hour. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I will see you hopefully in a couple of hours. All right, guys? Peace.